Hey everyone, welcome back to the Profit Shield Growth Podcast. This is Graham Norris here. Let me ask you something. What's the biggest fear you carry as a real estate investor? For some, it's running out of cash. For others, it's losing everything to a legal dispute. And for many, it's simply burning out, working harder and harder, but not seeing the freedom they were promised. I know that fear personally. When I scaled past 100 units, I thought I'd made it, but instead of freedom, I was trapped. Cash flow was unpredictable. Every attorney call felt like a $300 hit, and I was chained to my phone. Hustle didn't solve it. Hustle doesn't scale. That's why I built the Profit Shield growth system. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter with leverage.